Hello viewers, I am Manushi Bhuiya. I am a second year first semester student in Department of Environmental Science and Research Management of Maulana Bhashani Science and Technology University. Today on this World Environment Day, I would like to share my thoughts on plastic waste problem and its possible solution. Do you know that with plastic? Shocked to hear that? Let me explain. Around 360 million tons of plastics are being produced and discarded into the nature every year globally. Approximately 8 million metric tons of plastics are entering into the sea and ocean every year. Plastic waste have entered into the food chain due to the inability of proper management, and that is how we are consuming plastic indirectly. It is now difficult to estimate the exact number of animals which are carrying microplastics in their bodies. Maybe it would be in billions. Microplastics and plastic waste materials are leaching toxic chemical substances and harming our environment. A possible solution of this can be recycling of plastic waste. We can recycle plastic waste to make fuels by pyrolysis process. We can also make plastic fiber like polyester and many such things. We can also use them in production of concrete. As the saying goes, charity begins at home. We can use this recycle process in our homes by making DIY home decor materials. We can use the plastic bottles by cutting into half. We can make watering cans. We can also use it in making vertical gardens in our home yard. And we can make other materials like pencil holder, lampshades, and etc. By using and recycling the plastic waste, we can reduce its harmful effects from the marine biodiversity and from the whole nature, and the waste can be reduced significantly from the environment. As the theme of the campaign says, time for nature, now it's our time to think and contribute for conservation of nature. Women in our homes can play a vital role in managing the plastic waste and making DIY home decor materials, as they are the center of waste management in our homes. We should think and start from now. Thank you. Stay safe.